A warm and pleasant evening to one and all present here. Distinguished Chief Guest Dr. Z. Abdul Latif, Managing Trustee Mrs. Vanajambika Jayakumar, Mr. Jayakumar, Secretary Ms. P. Nancy, Advisor Mr. Sridhar Ganapati, special invitees, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents and beloved children. I stand before you all this pleasant evening to present the annual report of Tiano Vidyashram for the academic year 2016-17. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and finally, knowledge makes you great. I strongly believe that the students of our institution are destined to become leaders and responsible citizens for whom national pride, ethical codes of conduct, sincere hard work, spiritual temperament, moral values, and ecological responsibility will be of paramount importance. As another academic year arrives and another page in the history of our school is turned, we have reached the 5th milestone. It is with immense satisfaction I look back on the achievement of the past years. Tiano Vidyashram is a beehive of activity which provides shoulder for the students to shape their effort, thought, and dreams. I begin by thanking the Almighty for His abundant grace, health, and strength, and blessings showered on us throughout the year. I also like to place on record and acknowledge the unstinted support, the cooperation and dedication of our faculty, parents and well-wishers. Education is transformation, a change brought about by inculcating values, an instrumental attitude, and most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. The idea behind any educational institution is to provide for its students maximum exposure and opportunity in all fields: academic, sport, extracurricular, civic, moral, cultural, and social. And that is what we here at Tiano Vidyashram are aiming to achieve at every academic year. We regard every student as a valued person with a unique identity whose mind, body, and spirit all need nurturing within a loving and caring environment. Academics. CCE has been extended effectively to all the classes, and students have adapted to this new system very well. The school has been upgrading itself with all the changes being brought in by CBSE, and students are groomed and prepared to meet the new challenges set by CBSE. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities. In the month of November, the International Young Olympic Federation organized an athletic meet in Nehru Stadium. About 31 students took part in the meet, out of which 12 won medals and trophies. 2 students secured the first position, 3 of them secured the second position, and the remaining won the third position. The overall championship was won by our school. In the Spell B competition held on 9th November, 83 students participated, and the following students won the school topper position. They were awarded with school topper medals and certificates. Tarunika of grade 1, Mohit Kumaran of grade 2, Suresha Himamshu, grade 3, Joshia Stephen William, grade 4, V. Raghavan of grade 5, and Ishana Sabrish of grade 6. In the month of November, our students took part in the inter-school state-level karate competition held at Jagannath Vidyalaya, Kelambakam. 11 students won prizes and medals, out of which 4 students secured the first positions, 3 students secured the second position, and the remaining won the third position. The overall championship was once again won by our school. The Winners Academy organized various competitions on APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. Naveen Krishna of grade 7 won the first prize in Tamil handwriting, and in English handwriting, Bhuvaneshwari of grade 7 secured the first position. In grade 6, Madhumita secured the first position in English handwriting, and in Tamil handwriting, V. Raghavan of grade 5 secured the first place. 18 students secured the second position in the English and Tamil handwriting competition. Bharatanatyam and yoga are offered as a part of curriculum. Anushka of grade 3 took part in the drawing and handwriting competition organized by Ideal Abacus Center and was awarded the first position. Teachers Training and Orientation Program. Along with regular academic activities, our teachers attended orientation programs on and off the campus regularly. In the month of November, our Hindi faculties, Ms. Gayatri and Ms. Sheila, attended a workshop organized by Madhuban Publishers. Our computer science faculties, Ms. Ranganagi and Ms. Christina, attended a workshop organized by KIPS Publishers. Ms. Ruth, Ms. Kritika Purani, Ms. Evangeline, Ms. Indra, Ms. Janaki and Ms. Preeta attended English workshop held by various publishers. In the month of December, our maths faculty, Ms. Anusha and Ms. Mohana, attended a workshop organized by Orient Black Swan Publishers. Edu Sport and Yoga. Edu Sport and Yoga are offered as a part of the regular curriculum. Challenging video clippings are shown to the students for 5 minutes just before they perform yoga in order to motivate them. Celebrations. Investiture ceremony. In the month of June, the members of the school council were selected and the investiture ceremony was organized. The captains of the 4 houses, the school pupil leader, the assistant school pupil leader, were honored by the school trustees and the school secretary. Badges were given to them and oath-taking ceremony marked the occasion. Trekking to Pushpagiri Hills. In the month of July, the students of Standard 5, 6 and 7 were taken on a trekking trip to Pushpagiri Hills. The students spent the night in the school and the campfire program was enjoyed by one and all. PTA meet. 2 sessions of PTA meet was arranged for the parents and the resource person in both the sessions was Mrs. Princey Solomon, the school student counselor. Independence Day. 4 members, namely Mr. Amrit Kumar, train driver, Mr. Dayalan, assistant engineer telephones, Mr. Chakrapani, Panchayat staff, and Mr. Sanjeevi, retired headmaster, were the chief guests for the program. These personalities were interviewed by our students in their respective offices, which created an awareness about the nature of work and their importance in the society. Krishna Jayanti. Students of pre-KG dressed up as Radha and Krishna performed a colorful show in the morning assembly. Special talk and dance by primary students marked the occasion. Teachers' Day celebration. On Teachers' Day, our Secretary Ms. P. Nancy delivered an inspiring speech for all the teachers during the assembly. The management honored the teaching and the non-teaching staff with gifts. Onam. Onam festival was celebrated in a grand manner. Special talks and a tableau was presented at the time of assembly. Sweet dish was distributed to the children. Blue Day, Family Day. To introduce the concept of colors and values to the KG children, various days such as Red Day, Blue Day and Family Day were celebrated in the month of August, September and October. Blossom Day. Blossom Day was organized on 15th October 2015. It was a trio fest where we had tree plantation by grandparents, International Students' Day in remembrance of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and Grandparents' Day. Reverend Father Xavier Alphonse, ex-principal of Loyola College, was the chief guest of the day. Speeches and many entertainment programs were presented by the students. Pradarshan. A science and art exhibition was organized in the month of November 2016. Children prepared excellent models and explained it confidently. Children's Day. Children's Day was celebrated in a grand manner. The students were entertained by the teachers, which was greatly enjoyed. A special magic show was arranged, which was appreciated and enjoyed by one and all. Experiential learning. In the month of December, a one-day orientation program was organized for the students of Standard 4. The resource person was Mr. Prince Solomon and his team from Madras Christian College. The counseling session and the campfire was enjoyed by the students. They learnt values such as sharing, adjusting and honesty. Dengue awareness program. In the month of December, the students of Standard 3 to 7 went on a rally from Mudichur to Manivakam to create an awareness about dengue. Christmas celebration. Christmas was celebrated on 22nd December 2016. A skit about the birth of Jesus Christ was performed by our students. Children were greatly thrilled by the arrival of Santa Claus. Pongal. Pongal celebration was held on 12th January 2017. Students performed various dances and speeches. Bullock Cart Ride was an add-on event which students very much enjoyed. Republic Day. On the 68th Republic Day, the school secretary Ms. P. Nancy hoisted the national flag. Special talk was delivered by the advisor Mr. Sridhar Ganapathy. Sports Day. The 5th annual Sports Day was celebrated on 26 January with great pomp and show. The chief guest of the day was Mr. V.V. Krishnamurthy, retired Indian boxing coach. The lighting of the Olympic torch and the oath taken by the sports captain attracted the attention of the onlookers. Aerobics and drills performed by the students was a real feast to the eyes. Field trip. Students of LKG and UKG visited Vandalur Zoo in the month of February 2017, and the students of Standard 1 and 2 were taken to Guindy Park. Students of Standard 3 and 4 visited the Brilla Planetarium, and the students of Standard 6 and 7 visited Vedantangal. TV programs. In the month of October and November, the Makkal TV channel organized a special show on the topic behavior of students and issues related to the present days. The students of 5, 6 and 7 took active part in the discussion, and the program went on for more than 12 weeks. I would be failing in my duty if I did not thank the management for the tremendous support and guidance. I also thank the parents and well-wishers and officials of Tianod Company for their wholehearted cooperation in the smooth running of the school. To conclude, I assure you, dear parents, that we will produce confident and competent human beings who can become a success in this competitive world. Let us go beyond being knowledge society and become a wisdom society, ensuring access, equity, peace, and harmony. Thank you.